Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am so super stoked to be doing this video because we are about to do our March Madness skincare giveaway. And I did one of these back last year in December and it was really popular and someone won and got product. It was a lot of fun, But this is a really special time because you guys have helped the channel grow so much. We've added like 1,000 people in the last 30 days, which for me, I'm still the little channel that could, but we're approaching 10,000 subscribers. We should be at 7 by the time that you see this video, which is really exciting for me. Speaking of that, I don't know if you guys know or not, but I have an Instagram account that is attached to this channel called Skin So Fabulous. And I do post these videos there, but I also post other things and I'm gonna be kind of upping my game on Instagram. So there'll be a link at the top of this video for you to look at, and I'll also put that link in the video description box. Please go over there and follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be doing some things on Instagram as we move through the year that'll be a little bit different and a little bit separate than what they are on YouTube. So again, guys, I wanna thank you so much for your support of the channel, for watching, for liking, for commenting, for giving me video ideas. This is all about you and it's amazing. Now, if you're new, I wanna welcome you to Skincare with Chris Gibson, and I'm obviously Chris, and I am your skincare expert, and I'm here to give you your best skin ever. And on this channel, we talk about, obviously, skincare products, and we talk about skincare routines, skincare gurus, just all kinds of skincare problems, which we solve those. So if that's your thing and you wanna win some skincare, be sure and subscribe for me. Hit that little notification bell so that you get notified when my new videos are up each week, because now that you found me, don't lose me. And so I am really excited to give back to you guys. You know, I've been doing a ton of reviews on products, devices, all kinds of craziness. So I thought, well, you know, I'll do this giveaway in March and it'll be for, like, we'll do it for St. Patrick's Day. And then I thought, no, I don't want to do it on St. Patrick's Day. And then I thought, well, my birthday is March 26th. So I thought, okay, well, maybe we'll do it for my birthday. And I thought, well, no, we're not celebrating me, we're celebrating you. So I decided to change this giveaway up from the last time a little bit and make it the entire month. So you have till the 31st to do what's in the instructions, which I'll tell you about that in just a minute. So hang on. And then I decided there would be 3 winners instead of 1 because I have a lot of stuff and I want to share the wealth. So 3 of you will win. There'll be a first winner who will get to choose first out of the things that we're giving away. The second person will be able to choose, and then the third person, of course. So that said, what can you win? Well, as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of reviews on skincare products. Zitsticka is one I just did. If you haven't seen the video, you should go watch it. This is a new product that's a technology-driven product that delivers a serum down into the pore of an oncoming, upcoming, soon-to-be, showed up out of the hell nowhere pimple. So basically, it does work, but it's really expensive. It's about $30 for one of these. I'll be giving this away to some lucky winner. You all also know I've been doing a ton of reviews on skincare products. And one of my favorites that I've reviewed that I really like their brand is The Ordinary. So I will be giving away a set of The Ordinary products for someone. That includes niacinamide, the peel serum, that kind of stuff. We will be giving those away to our 3 winners. So I'm really excited about that. So excited. Now, you guys also know I talk a whole lot about the role of nutrition, food, supplementation in the health of your skin. And I am testing a product right now called Anirva, which is a new product blend. It's a supplement for guys, this one's specifically for guy formulation, to get your skin clear and looking good. So I'm testing this, I'm gonna be doing a review on it, but I'm going to probably have that review out before the end of the month, so I'm gonna add this to the giveaway mix. I'm really excited about partnering with these guys. They got some really cool stuff going on. Now, you all also probably know that I've done a ton of reviews on skincare devices, and one of the ones that has been just kind of crazy because it got put out on Google and Yahoo, and I'm like, yahoo for Yahoo, because a whole lot of people found me because of this little product right here, and that is the Flawless Contour Derma Roller. And it does do a good job, and I found things that it did for your skin that they don't even talk about, so we'll be giving this away. And I'll also be giving away another interesting device, which is the Derma Suction Pore Suction device that I reviewed. Again, these videos are all on the channel, so go check them out. They're pretty interesting. Now, some of you may also know that I wrote a book a few years ago called Acne Free in 3 Days. And this book is pretty much what launched me out into the skincare world back then, got me on all kinds of television shows, sold tons and tons of copies, over 1 million, I think is what they tell me. And it's still in print today. I'm gonna be giving a copy of this signed for me to every single winner. All 3 of you will get a copy of this with whatever products that you choose. So that's also gonna be in the mix. As well as we will be giving away a Clearly Flawless skincare kit, which is a skincare kit for acne based on my products with Clear Revolution Skincare and my formulations, face washes, all sorts of stuff. So all you have to do is check out the instructions in the video description box. It's free to enter, it doesn't cost anything, you don't pay shipping. All of that will be there. Just go to the link that is down below in the video description box to get all of the details. And may the best skincare junkie win.